Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to use crowns on DraftKings in a simple and easy way. First, make sure you are logged in to your DraftKings account on the app or website. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon or account section. This is where you can see your crowns balance. Crowns are reward points you earn by playing contests, placing bets, or completing certain activities on DraftKings. Next, go to the Rewards or Crowns section. Here you will see all available rewards you can redeem using your crowns. You can use crowns to enter special contests. You can also exchange crowns for bonus bets, free entries, or other rewards depending on what is available. To redeem crowns, select the reward you want. Confirm the redemption, and the reward will be added to your account automatically. After redeeming bonus bets or free entries, you can use them the same way you would use regular bets. Just make sure to check any wagering rules attached to the reward. That is how you use crowns on DraftKings step by step. If this guide was helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the links in the description.